Trains, the iconic mode of transportation that transformed the way we travel and connect distant places, have a remarkable history that spans centuries. From the humble beginnings of primitive rail systems to the high-speed locomotives of today, the evolution of trains has shaped human societies and economies, propelling us into the modern era of transportation. Early railways and steam power. The history of trains can be traced back to the early 19th century when the first railways were constructed. In 1804, Richard Trevithick's locomotive hauled a load of iron along the Penydarren Ironworks track in Wales, marking a significant milestone in the use of steam power for rail transport. George Stephenson and the rocket. In 1829, George Stephenson's rocket locomotive demonstrated the potential of steam-powered trains. It won the Rainhill Trials, showcasing the advantages of steam engines over horse-drawn wagons for transportation of goods and passengers. Railway expansion and industrial growth. In the mid-19th century, railways expanded rapidly, becoming a vital component of industrialization. Rail networks connected cities, mines, factories, and ports, facilitating the movement of raw materials and manufactured goods. Transcontinental railways. The 19th century also witnessed the construction of transcontinental railways, such as the first Transcontinental Railroad in the United States and the Canadian Pacific Railway, which united distant regions and facilitated westward expansion. Golden Age of Steam. The late 19th and early 20th centuries were considered the Golden Age of Steam. Powerful locomotives, such as the Mallard in the UK and the Big Boy in the US, set speed and power records, and luxury trains like the Orient Express redefined rail travel for the affluent. Electrification and high-speed rail. In the early 20th century, electrification of railways began to replace steam locomotives in urban areas, leading to more efficient and cleaner transportation. In the latter half of the 20th century, high-speed rail networks, exemplified by the Japanese Shinkansen and the French TGV, transformed long-distance travel. Modern rail transport and maglev technology. In recent decades, trains have continued to evolve with the advent of modern technologies. Maglev trains, which use magnetic levitation for propulsion, have been developed in several countries, setting new speed records and paving the way for even faster rail travel. Sustainable transportation and future prospects. As concerns about climate change grow, there is a renewed focus on sustainable transportation. Trains, with their energy efficiency and low emissions, are being viewed as a greener alternative to other modes of travel, and further innovations are being explored to make rail transport even more eco-friendly. The history of trains is a story of progress and innovation, transforming the world of transportation and bringing distant places closer together. From the early steam locomotives to the cutting-edge high-speed trains of the 21st century, trains have played a pivotal role in shaping modern societies and economies. As we look to the future, the legacy of trains as a reliable, efficient, and sustainable mode of transportation continues to influence the way we move and connect in an increasingly interconnected world.